Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial is going to be about making your eyeshadows pop. What do I mean? We're going to be making some eyeshadow base today. So this is what you'll be needing: any eyeshadow palette of your choice, some type of mixing utensils, and you're going to need a concealer. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Natural. So then you're going to pop open your eyeshadow palette and choose any 3 shades you want, or just any color that you really want to make the base for. I usually just make my base based on wherever I'm going, so I don't make a lot. I just make enough for that one use. And I don't know if you guys, so after you've decided on your colors, you're just gonna basically go ahead and scrape off the colors that you're using. I am using this pink shade to my extreme right, this aqua blue, and the yellow to my extreme left. And then I'm just gonna fast forward through this and I will be back. And here comes the fun part where we add our concealer and just mix the eyeshadows in with the concealer. Now, I'm sure you guys may or may not know about Louise and her colored bases that she has. I will link a picture to the left of the screen, so be on the lookout for that. And this is just a dupe for it. It's very convenient. You don't have to go out and spend money if you don't have to, or if you're on a budget, or if you just simply want to save your cash like me for other purposes. So this is a great idea to make your eyeshadows pop, or you can just wear them as you want, as you wish. And once you mix everything together, this is what the consistency looks like. It's like pasty, but it's not thick or anything. You can put it on lightweight if you want, or you can pack it on. So this is just me doing a swatch of the eyeshadow base on its own without any eyeshadow base. This is the eyeshadow base by itself. And I'm sorry guys, I actually was out of frame and I had no idea. I must apologize for that, but I will definitely show you guys in the end what everything is looking like. So for the third one, I'm basically adding eyeshadow over that eyeshadow base that I added in the third sections. So this is me putting the eyeshadows over the eyeshadow base, but then I started to use my finger because I realized the brush was just too big and it was just causing a mess on my hands. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the end results. So this is the eyeshadow by itself. The 3 in the middle are the eyeshadow bases, and I'm just changing the tone of the light to see if you guys can really see what these shades are looking like. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. What are your thoughts on how they look by themselves or mixed with the eyeshadow? As usual guys, I'm going to invite you guys to give this video a thumbs up and also to subscribe if you have not yet done so, and I will see you guys in my another video. Bye.
Lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the time closest starts